What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just going to be laying some more block for my garage. So I have a bunch of block left from my last cube. I'm going to lay up all the corners today. It's a super windy day, so you guys have to bear with me for a minute. It's been raining pretty much every single day here, so I'm trying to get some stuff done whenever I can. But yeah, I have enough block right now to get all the corners up for 4 courses on every corner. So right now I'm counting that as 1 course above the block. So I have enough to go 2, 3, 4. I have course number 2 already laid over here. So I have enough for the next couple courses up. So I'll have 4 corners, 4 courses of corners all the way around. Told you guys, it's crazy windy today. After I get these corners all laid up, I can go get another cube of block, and then it'll be super easy just to lay up all these walls. I'll just throw my line up and we'll be ready to go. I think I'm just gonna start back here on this corner. All these block are just sitting there for now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 block. We're gonna get them laid up. Got my next cube of block all unloaded and on my pad. This is cube number 4. Yesterday we got all the corners laid up. So I got like 4 courses worth of corners. I got like 3 courses worth of corners that I can lay now. Lay everything up between them. Finally gonna be making some progress here, and it's gonna actually start looking like a garage. All right, got some perfect mortar. I'm in the shade here a little bit back here. We're gonna work on this back wall. Alright guys, I got this back wall all laid up. This is technically 4 courses above the pad. This is actually course number 8 right here, if we're counting down below the footer. But yeah, I laid up all these blocks in between the 2 corners that I had laid. So I think next I'm going to take the rest of the block that I have out of that cube number 4 and try to lay these courses over here on this wall. Still have a bunch of block left. I probably have enough to do 2 courses over here, and then I'll have some left over. Maybe I'll do the front, and then on the next cube I'll focus on this wall over here. But yeah, making some good progress now. It's actually finally starting to come together. It's really cool to see this after basically working on it for almost 2 years now. When I first started tearing down the garage, the old garage, I just knew I had an insane amount of work ahead of me, and just getting to this point right now and seeing the block actually start coming up and everything again, and actually getting somewhere, it's really cool to see. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please drop a big thumbs up down below. I really appreciate it, and it really helps out the channel, helps the video reach a wider audience. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the future videos and the future garage videos. I got a lot going on, a lot planned, a lot of videos planned, so hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. Hope you guys have a great day. Peace.